So, in order to add a Twitter to your game, most people would assume that you would go and add in the Twitter icon there. You don't actually have to do that. Now, this one's a little bit more complicated, so I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to copy and paste it, and I'm going to change up the button here. Pretty simple stuff. Now, in order to put in the right URL here, we're gonna essentially put this in here. Okay, and what you need to do is essentially copy this out. And this here, this highlighted area, if I kind of zoom in a little bit more, that is what is going to be printed. If you want to add in a hashtag, you have to type in the %23. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this and simply paste it in there. Now, of course, the URL needs to be within quotes, otherwise it will not work. So I'm going to go ahead and push done here. Let's go ahead and run this here, and we'll post the Twitter here, and you can see that it's there. Now, they do have to be logged in order for that to work. So, why do we do it that way? Well, there's several ways we can go and post to Twitter. For the most part, every time that you go onto a different system, for example, let's say you're on Android or iOS, you have to deal with the Android API and the Twitter API in the respected platforms. If you pull it up in a browser, it's much easier because both of those systems already have it. Again, with HTML5, it's a little bit easier to do that. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorial.